Namo Nama friends, in the present video we are going to learn about Vanya Pashavaha. Do you know what does it mean? Vanya Pashavaha means wild animals. Vanya means wild, Pashavaha animals. You can see the picture. We know it is lion, but what is it called in Sanskrit? Sinha. Sinha, lion. And this is Shrugal. Shrugal means jackal. And this is a picture of a giant animal, elephant. Elephant is called Gajaha in Sanskrit. Gajaha, elephant. And this is tiger, looking nice, right? What is tiger called in Sanskrit? Vyagraha. Vyagraha means tiger. And this is Tarakshuhu. Tarakshuhu means cheetah. See, when we see these marks on the face, and the face is little smaller, and the body length is little more, is Tarakshuhu means cheetah. And this is furry animal Bhallukaha means bear. Bear, Bhallukaha. And this is Harinaha or Mrigaha. Harinaha or Mrigaha means deer. We all know what is it? It is a monkey. It is called Vanaraha, Kapi or Markataha. Vanaraha means monkey, Kapi means monkey, Markataha means monkey. And this is Makaraha, crocodile. Right? Crocodile is called Makaraha in Sanskrit. And this is Krukalasaha. Krukalasaha means chameleon. This animal keeps changing its color, right? See, we can see here the branch is little green, little brown, and so accordingly it is going to change its color. If it is on brown, then it will take brown color. Chameleon is expert in changing its body color. And this is Vrukaha. Vrukaha, wolf. And this is Gandakaha. What is Gandakaha? Gandakaha means hippopotamus. And this is Chitrasabaha. Chitrasabaha, zebra. And this is Chitroshtra. Chitroshtra means giraffe. Chitrasabaha, zebra. Chitroshtra means giraffe. Do remember, the names in the Sanskrit sounds very similar, but it is for two different animals. And this is Lomashaha. Lomashaha, लोमड़ी जिसको हम बोलते हैं, fox, right? Fox or लोमड़ी, that is called Lomashaha. And this is Tarakshu. Tarakshu means hyena. So friends, other animals we will learn in other video. Till then, happy learning. Dhanyavadaha.